Is that?
Here.
Yeah.
How the hell did you make that?
Just jump.
Glenn's attempt.
I hurt my wrist.
I'm not stable enough. How did you get balance?
I don't know, I just had on when I wanted to go, I just went. I did it
Yeah.
then.
From there?
Yeah.
What the hell? I can't do it.
Glenn, just jump.
I can't.
Glenn, if I could do it, anyone could do it.
Glenn, just jump.
I might just do it.
Might as well.
My ankle.
Ruby's second attempt.
Ah.
My wrist. No, it was this wrist.
I felt my elbow, my arm, my wrist, and my ankle.
Have you? What are you doing, Will?
Videoing it.
Well, it's your go after this. We're recording you.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah.
Go.